So, what's up guys, and welcome to Ívar's Fly Workshop. As always, you're welcome to watch my content and all that. Today we'll be tying one of these. I have actually no idea what to call this fly, but it's something which I tied together. It's the EggStatic material from Semperfli, and you can do so much with it. Actually, there are so many opportunities how to make flies with it. And this fly is something which I made last spring. We are using a traditional nymph hook from Ahrex, number 8, because it is like a little, I don't know, leech or a streamer or something. I'm using a fluor orange classic wax thread. That's from Semperfli as well. And for you who don't know that, I'm a member of the Semperfli Pro team, so I tend to use more Semperfli materials than less when making my content. I have had some with this particular fly, which I don't know what to call. You can drop me an idea in the comment section below. Down in the comments you will also find the description on the pattern. This is the EggStatic material, 8mm, and that's what we are going to use for the tail. A pink one. A pink tail, and when you cut the material, it's like not a bad idea either using super glue or just the heat and the blue part of the flame, just like this. Then you close it, it's not gonna unwind or be torn apart that way. We'll be keeping the length of the tail about the length of the hook shank ish, kind of, something like that, a little bit longer, so it's like quite lively in the water. And this is something which I caught some brown trout on this summer. This is really simple pattern. For the body, I'm using a 15 mil, same material. It was an 8 or 9, the tail, so this one that goes on the hook here is a little bit thicker, and it's gonna turn out to be a little bulky, fatty, chubby little fly, which is good. It's highly visible in the water, and it for some reason attracts fish, especially brown trout. I had success with it. So that's why I decided to tie it and share it with you guys. At least it works here where I live in Iceland. And I presume it should work over in the America, like the US, and then in Europe, and where you can find actually anywhere where you can find brown trout, New Zealand, anywhere. So we have done wrapping the EggStatic material, built up the body, then we need to lock in the rest of the material here with our thread. And what I did is that I used my hackle pliers to grab the very end of it. Like if you're short on material, that can be like a really good tricks to be able to use all the material. It's nice to have those nails, both playing the guitar I play, and then they're helpful when I'm tying and making the content. So we'll build up like a little bit of a thread base here, so it gives it like a tiny hotspot, and then the fly is kind of ready. So we'll make the whip finishing job. I'm using a bead on it, like a silver bead. You can use silver or gold or bronze it or copper, it doesn't matter really. And I'll make double 2 knots to a finishing knot, and then cut the stuff away, and then coat it with Zappa Gap, just like a little bit of it, to secure everything in place. So I just want to say to you guys, thanks for watching. the channel. Remember to like, share, and subscribe as you see. Coming up here. And consider to support the channel, like supporting me. You can find instructions on that in the video's description. You can put something on my PayPal or some. It's still gonna be free material anyways. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video.